Welcome to the Learn to Create Pixel Art with Aseprite course. In this video we are going to see how to switch the palette from an indexed image. So I have this image, I'm going to go to Sprite, Color Mode, and here I can change the color mode of my sprite. So if you have RGB color, you want to change it to indexed. So to change the palette, in my case I'm going to use these presets and I'm going to select, for example, Game Boy. And you will see that this doesn't look really good. So it's a better idea to have RGB color, to select the palette, and then go to Sprite, Color Mode, and then select Indexed. That way it's going to look a lot better. Alright, we're going to test some other palettes, for example this one. So Sprite, Color Mode, Indexed, and there we go.